capturing moments, creating memories. And welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video and welcome to the channel. And I thought what I'd do in this one is just show you a little bit more what it looks like in the goggles, which is the video in the middle, and then the outer screen is what we've done in the edit. So let's have a look at it. We are currently, if you look in the middle screen, flying straight at 23 mile an hour, and we're just circling, just see the home point where we are to the left. But look at what you can do with the 360 edit. We can obviously have a look down now at the trees that we're going over as we're heading towards Chatley Whitfield, and we are directly in the goggles seeing Chatley Whitfield. Now I'm going to make a left-hand turn, but with the 360 video we can focus back down looking back at Chatley Whitfield. So as you can see, we are approaching more towards the home point right ahead of us, and Chatley Whitfield is to the left, and we're going right back over the slag heap, and we're going to make a little bit of a right hand turn, head down, and look at that beautiful sun right in front of us. It is absolutely amazing what you can do with the 360 edit. We're currently round about 34 mile an hour, hanging a left hand side, and you can see our home point is just to the top left. But look what we can do with the 360 edit. We can look right the way down. We can turn the edit towards the left, and of course we're now banking to the left with the drone, and we're passing right overhead our home point and directly towards Chatley Whitfield, and we're going to now make another left hand turn down past the slag heap and towards the bridge as you enter Chatley Whitfield. Currently touching almost 40 miles per hour, so we are zooming in the wind there. And what have we got? Battery 72%, goggles 88%. We've got 9 minutes of flight time and 25 satellites, and we are currently 156 feet up, and we're about 700 feet away from our home point. And as you can see in the window in the middle, you've got a little H which shows the home point. So when I'm flying in the goggles, I can clearly see where home is. And yeah, we are heading straight in for a landing after this wonderful flight. And there we go, there's Glenn, there's me, there's a landing pad, and we've got 60. So as you can see, with the edit that you can do on the DJI app, it's fabulous. So this is the view from the goggles, and let's have a look at what we've got. We're in S for sports mode. You can see the little H to the left hand side. It tells me that's where the home point is. We are currently doing 21 miles per hour, 100 feet up, and about 200 feet away from our home point. Right in the middle, you can see the little H where is the home point. So in my goggles, I can quite easily turn towards that. The green is actually showing that there's nothing in front of me. The sensors are not detecting any obstacles. We're at 92% battery life on the drone, and we've got 10 minutes and 25 seconds left. The RC and the HD never budge. Clear reception all the way through this wonderful flight. Up to about 46 Mbps per second, which is the video to the goggles, up to 60 now, so the closer that I actually get, the better we will more get. 33 satellites, and the goggle battery is 89%. You can see there is a little circle at the top. That's where I'm actually pointing it to where the drone's going, and the line before that is the actual knitting part of the lower camera and the top part of the camera of the 360. As you can see on the right hand side, it says 360 camera. 1 minute 56 is the time that we've been recording. The only thing that I find quite strange, unless I've got my settings wrong at the moment, you can see there is a little cross in the middle. Normally on all the other drones, the circle is generally within that cross, and it seems to be I have to pull the Avata 360 a lot higher, so it's a little bit more difficult to fly. But let me know in the comments, what am I doing wrong? Why is that circle well above the cross there? Well, I absolutely love flying the Avata 360. Absolute game changer for the channel, and I would highly recommend you guys to certainly purchase one. And all I'm really doing is just doing a circular flight, picking up spectacular footage in the goggles from the front view camera. Well, actually it's not the front view camera, this is the 360 camera still. But in the goggles you can still only view like one part of it. I do believe if you put it on head tracking, we'd be able to look absolutely everywhere, up, down, left, right. So I need to actually be doing that. But let me know in the comments, guys, are you enjoying your DJI Avata 360 drones? And let me know if you are. And what else would you like to see in future videos? Here we come for a landing. What a fabulous flight that was.